In a major political development, the National Democratic Alliance (NDA) candidate for the upcoming vice presidential election, CP Radhakrishnan, submitted his nomination papers today. He was accompanied by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and several other senior leaders from the ruling alliance.
The nomination filing took place in a show of unity and strength for the NDA. The National Democratic Alliance has nominated CP Radhakrishnan, the current governor of Maharashtra, as its candidate for the upcoming vice presidential election. Mr. Radhakrishnan, a veteran politician and a prominent face from the southern state, was selected as the alliance candidate for the prestigious post, succeeding the incumbent vice president. Prime Minister Modi's presence during the nomination highlights the BJP and NDA's full backing for Mr. Radhakrishnan. The move is seen as a strategic step by the alliance to consolidate its position and ensure a smooth victory in the election, given its clear majority in both houses of parliament. The upcoming vice presidential election in India is scheduled to be held on September 9, 2025 if a poll is necessary. The Election Commission of India has announced a full schedule with key dates including last date for making nominations August 21, 2025, date for the scrutiny of nominations August 22, 2025, last date for the withdrawal of candidatures August 25, 2025. With the nomination now formally filed, the political landscape is set for the contest. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.